How to fix Roblox error code 533. So you want to go to the main page of Roblox, click on your settings, go to settings. Then here you want to go to privacy and make sure this is disabled. Account restrictions are disabled. So if this isn't turned on, then you are good to go. Now, another thing that you need to know is that if your account is under 13, you can't fix this error for private servers. So if you're under 13, then there's really nothing you can do other than changing your age or making a new account. And one more thing that I want to show you, if that doesn't work for you, you can open up your computer search, go to Roblox player. Then right here, we want to right click, open file location, and this will load up the Roblox player. So right click again, properties, go to compatibility and check these settings. So compatibility mode, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. So these three settings are what you need to select. Click on apply, click on OK, and hopefully this fixes it for you. Don't forget to like and sub if either of those steps worked. Don't forget to like and sub, like I said, and I'll see you next time.